Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the channel. Well guys, today is the day that we're finally gonna get started on the Camaro build. I know the last video I did on the Camaro, I kind of told y'all some of my plans that I had for the Camaro and things. Hopefully I'll be able to get around to doing all of them, which I think I will eventually. So guys, today to start this build off, I figured we'll do something very simple and that does not gonna cost too much, because this week guys I'm broke this week. So I have to go with something cheap. So guys, we're gonna start this build off by doing some LED lighting, guys. Yes, we're gonna be installing some LED lights on the Camaro today. We are going to be changing out the interior light and the fog lights. This will cover the dome light, the license plate light, and the trunk light. And this here is the fog lights that we're going to be using right there. That's the number. So yeah guys, I decided I wanted to go with some LED lights on this car, since the interior has that yellow bulbs in there, and so I want to change them out and put some LED ones in there, and also change out the fog lights, which is actually daytime running lights. So they will not come on at night, it doesn't come on at day. But I got a wall harness coming for that would change that, so we'll be able to use them as actual fog lights instead of daytime running lights. But today I'm just going to install some LED lights in it, and when the harness comes in, we'll let you put that on there. So let's get started on this, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to start out by changing out the LED lights and the license plates. Then we're going to go to the trunk, and then we're going to go to the dome light, then we get to the fog lights. So as you can see there guys, they're very yellow, the lights, the ones that are in this car. So I'm going to change over to the LEDs, and it should make it look a lot better. Now to change these out, is basically got a little tab right, let's see if you can see it, it's kind of dark. You got a tab right there that you pop out, comes out, and then this one's right here, and it pops out. So now we're just gonna pull this out of here and put the LEDs in. So alright guys, so I got this one out right here, put the LED in. Now you do have to twist it a little bit, because it does connect right there. When you're getting this out, you have to twist it something like that way, this way, and that'll come out. So now I'm gonna get this one out and turn it on and let y'all see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like with the LEDs in there. Look a lot better now, a lot better than that yellow one. So now let's go to the trunk guys and change that one out. Alright guys, so now we're going to change out the trunk light. You can see how yellow it's looking. Doesn't look that good. So to get this one out guys, basically you got to put a flat head right here. There's a little, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a little opening right there. My camera can't pick it up that good. But basically you just put a flat head right there, and it'll pop out like that. Just be careful not to break anything. And there's the bulb, if you can see. Bulb right there. We're gonna pull that out and put the LED one in. Check that out guys. Looks a lot better now. Got that yellowish. Now it's more white. Look a lot better. And also guys, whenever you are putting these LED lights in, these bulbs here, they have a power deal right there. And the other side's got that piece. We ain't got like this the brand name. Basically this piece, the focus on there, the power right there goes in at the bottom, and this one goes in at the top. So yeah, when you're installing them, like with this one, I had to install it like this, with this piece at top in that part at the bottom. So it went in like that to come on. So yeah, we got that in, looking good. Now let's go to the dorm light. Alright guys, so now we're gonna change out the dorm light. And to remove this cover in order to get to the light, basically see right here, you put a flathead right here. Put a flathead right here. And over here there's a place where you can put a flathead also. And this should pop out. So go ahead and pop that out, guys. And put the LEDs in. Let y'all see what they look like. This is what it looked like with the yellow. Look like that with the yellowish. Now we're gonna throw the LED, see what it looks like. Alright, so I got the cover off. Also, when you're taking this this cover off, be careful up here in the front, because it does snap up here in the front. So when you're putting your flathead back here, you pull this down, and you want to kind of pull this forward some. Try to get it loose from here. Be careful not to break these tabs, because then it's gonna be kind of hard to put it back on. So yeah, I had a little difficult time trying to get it off, because this right here in the front was hanging up there, but I got it out. So just be careful about that. Just want to let you know about that. Be careful about that. So we're gonna get this out here. Basically, just pull it out. Pull it out. Put the LED one in. All right, so I got the cover back on. Let me show you what it looks like. Turn them on over here. That's what it looks like. A lot brighter, a lot more nicer. All right, guys. So we got that done. Now let's go do the fog lights. All right, so now we're gonna change out the fog lights. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and change one out to LED and leave this other one as the stock yellowish color, so that y'all can see the difference in them. See, I gotta back up in order for my daytime running lights to come on, because they won't come on in here because it's too dark, I guess. So in order to change out these fog lights, you want to turn your wheel like that, turn it all the way over, so that you can get over here to your fender liner. I know it's all dirty, I gotta clean this up. Over here you got 1, 2, 3 right here, 1, 2, 3 of these torque bolts that you want to remove, so that we can get back here behind the fender liner and get to the fog light. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those and get to the fog light. Alright guys, so once you get your 3 torque bolts out, you're gonna pull your fender liner back this way, and right there is your fog light. So we're gonna and pull it out, which you kind of got to twist it a little bit to get it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out and put the LED ones in. Alright guys, so we want to pull the light out of the fog light housing. You wanna let me grab it over here. You wanna push right here. There's a button right here. Kind of hold that down, and then you pull the fog light out. Pull the fog light bulb out, and it'll come out like that. So you gotta hold this down right here. Hope y'all can see that. Hold that down, and then pull your fog light bulb out, and it'll come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one out, put the LED one in. Check that out, guys. Man, it looks a whole lot better with the white than it does with the yellow. See right there is the yellow, nowhere is the white. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the other LED one in, and then we're gonna see how they look all together. That's what it looks like with the LED bulbs in there. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for the Camaro build in this video, guys. Throwing some LED lights on there. Little things like that, guys, this makes a lot of difference to the car. Makes it just pop. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, guys, and stay fearless. See y'all later.